Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Samsung's upcoming foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. We've got some juicy leaks and rumors that you won't want to miss. So, let's get started. First up, we've heard that Samsung is planning to introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in some stunning new colors. It's all about adding that extra flair to your tech. Imagine unfolding your device to reveal a vibrant, eye-catching color that stands out from the crowd. Moving on, early renders are showing a wider display and a slimmer build for the Z Fold 6. Samsung seems to be pushing the envelope on design, making the phone not just more stylish but also potentially enhancing how we use foldables daily. A wider display for more immersive experiences and a slimmer design for that comfortable grip. Sounds great, right? Now, let's talk cameras. There's buzz that the Z Fold 6 could share its camera setup with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means we might see a significant leap in photography capabilities, bringing ultra-crisp photos and videos to your foldable screen. Imagine capturing your moments with the same high-quality camera that's found on one of the best smartphones out there. With these potential upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be a real game-changer. From the new colors that make a statement, to the enhanced design for better usability, and a camera that could rival the best, Samsung is gearing up to wow us once again. And that's a wrap on today's sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.